Hey guys, checking out an all-new SDCC exclusive by Mattel. This here is Jimmy Buffett Jurassic Park, Jurassic World, and yeah, big special thanks to Mattel for sending over this free product for us to review. I had to say that. In which today we'll be seeing exactly what it's all about. Let's take a look. Alright, so pretty cool looking packaging. If you're not familiar with this particular character, he had a little small cameo where he's running with these two different margaritas, and he's actually, I believe, the CEO or the owner of Margaritaville. And yeah, his little small seconds of fame, but yeah, pretty interesting stuff there. They actually made him into a toy, so so a music industry icon. Oh, he's a music industry icon? I thought he was part of Margaritaville. Anyways, yeah, pretty cool stuff. So it just talks about a little bit more in terms of the detail on the back here, and then Mattel Creations, of course, and you have this really interesting looking style here. Let's open it up. Oh, there's actually a lot in here. Oh, looks like you have to kind of build it. Interesting. And then got a little stand. All right, so first off, we have this very unique looking casing that I believe turns into some kind of mug. It's like origami, but a little bit different. Some assembly is required. Aha! Ha ha ha! Ha ha ha! Ha ha ha! So yes, this is it. Pretty cool looking stuff. And of course you have him right in there, kind of holding his margaritas. Interesting. Now, it has sounds. Kind of scary, but yes, moving on. This can sit on here, just like that. Aha! We got ourselves a nice looking blender, and it's giving us step 1, 2, 3, and 4. You just go ahead and turn that, even though it doesn't turn. But yes, it has this interesting looking design. Now, technically, it does open up and he spins. Let's see that. Oh. All right, so we're all set. Check it out, pretty cool. So it does rotate like this, and you can see the dinosaurs going up and down. Oh. Actually a good amount of sounds. And it even comes with a little salt shaker. So cool, look at this. Pretty cool stuff. And yeah, there you guys have it. Overall, a really interesting setup, and you could tell there was a lot of thought put through it. Really great for collectors and someone who just want to have fun with Jurassic World. See you in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye.